The thing about the idea that you're not alone is that it doesn't do us much good if it's just an idea. We have to do something with it. It's like having no money and then someone hands you a check. If you have to take it to the bank, you have to do something with it. Maybe hope is like that. Maybe community is like that. Maybe relationships are like that. We have to choose these things. We have to say they're real and possible and important. We have to say some things out loud. We have to choose to believe that our story matters, along with the stories of the people that we love.